Hi, I'm Greg Lambrecht, founder and inventor of Coravin, and I'm really excited to introduce the Coravin Sparkling system, which allows you to serve and enjoy your favorite bottles of sparkling wine by the glass for 2 weeks, and the last glass will be just as good as the first. The Coravin Sparkling system consists of the sparkling charger, 2 sparkling stoppers, and 4 Coravin Pure CO2 capsules. To use your sparkling system, the first step is to load your charger with a sparkling capsule. To load the capsule, raise the latch cover, pinch the door latches, and raise the access door. Then press up on the release. That will open your capsule bay. Load the capsule into the capsule bay with the black cap up. Close the capsule bay. Close the access door. You'll notice that your indicator has changed from red to green, showing that your charger is charged. Close the latch cover, and the system is ready to use. It's important when you're opening the bottle that the foil is cut well below the flange. Pour as much sparkling wine as you like. When you're done pouring, you want to close your bottle with the sparkling stopper. To do that, simply lift up on the locking handle, make sure it's up all the way so that you can see the unlock symbol. Then place it on top of the bottle and close the locking handle until it's completely shut. The Coravin stopper is designed to be universal, which means it fits on any bottle of sparkling wine, including magnums. To preserve the wine, we now want to charge the bottle. Place the charger on top of the stopper and press down firmly. You'll hear the gas flow, and you'll also see the indicator go from green to red and then back to green again when it's fully charged. Now this bottle is preserved for up to 2 weeks, and the next glass will taste just as good as the first. When you're ready to pour the next glass, you remove the stopper first by releasing the CO2 inside the bottle. You do this by rocking the stopper gently toward or away from the handle. And then lift up on the handle all the way, pop it off. You can then pour the glass as much as you like again. Place the stopper back on the bottle and charge the bottle to keep it nice and preserved. To best preserve your wine, you want to make sure that you keep it cold, so store it in a wine fridge or in a cellar. You can store it either upright or on its side. The only cleaning you need to do is to wipe down the inside of the Coravin stopper with a damp cloth between bottles. Simple as that. Now you're ready to celebrate any day by serving and enjoying your favorite bottles of sparkling wine by the glass. Cheers.